Hello, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning from wherever you're joining us from. As a way of signing in, please kindly drop your name and where you're joining us from in the chat box. If you can hear me, you're welcome. Please drop your name and where you're joining us from in the chat box so we can welcome you properly. Please, if you can hear me, kindly drop your name and where you're joining us from so we can welcome you properly. All right, thank you. Fortunate from Nigeria, I see you. You're welcome. Thank you for joining. All right, let's have more people share with us. All right, I see Batarai from Nepal. You're welcome. John Abraham from Ghana. I see you. You're welcome. Thank you for joining. Thank you for being here with us today. Thank you, Zainab from Pakistan. Thank you so much. It's good to have you on board. Thank you so much for joining. All right. The Indigo from Eswatini. I hope I pronounced that correctly. You're welcome. Viswanathan from India. You're welcome. Priya Patel from India. You are very much welcome. All right, let's keep doing that for the next couple of minutes before we dive in fully. Okay. I see Yash from India. Mahmood, you're welcome. Aisha from Nigeria. Andre from India, you're welcome. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in this evening or morning or afternoon, as the case may be at your end. Ella from Nigeria, you're welcome. Issa from Nigeria. Ladi from Nigeria. Moyo Solua, I see you. Vicky from Nigeria, yes, I see you. Let's keep it coming. Let's keep it coming. Akolo from Nigeria, you're welcome. Ugochukwu from Nigeria, you are very much welcome. You are welcome. You're welcome. All right, let's keep it coming. You're welcome, everyone, to this free training on applied functional genomics, organized by Genomics Institute Incorporated. You're most welcome tonight, this evening, rather. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. All right. Nusiba from Sudan, you're welcome. So while we are doing this, I would like us to go ahead and share this live link with our community. If there's anyone that you know should be here, please go ahead and share this link with them right away so that they can also join us and they will not miss out on what we have for you. So yes, let's go ahead and do that right now. Just share this, copy this YouTube live link and share it with your community, your friends, from work, from school. Just share it with them and tell them to join in. So all right, I see more people signing in this evening. Rufai from Nigeria, you're welcome. Linda Mala from Nigeria, I see you. You're welcome. Thank you for joining this evening. Samantha from Zimbabwe, you're welcome. Daramula Favor from Nigeria, you are most welcome. this wonderful evening. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. It's good to have everyone on board, and I'm assuring you that we are going to have a great time here today. So we'll be starting right about now because we don't want to take too much time. So yes, everyone signing in, I can see you. I can see you. You are all welcome this evening. You're all welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. I hope we are sharing the link with our community. I hope we have. So it's good to have everyone on board this evening. Yes, you're all welcome. Angela from India, Audrey from Zimbabwe. You're welcome. You are welcome. All right. So we are all welcome this wonderful evening once again to Genomics Institute Incorporated for the free course on applied functional genomics and bioinformatics training. Yes, so that is why I believe we all know that is why we are here, because a couple of us have been on our groups and then we have seen the flyers, we have been helping us promote the flyer to our community. So we are welcome. We're supposed to hold this on Friday, but due to the holidays, we had to move it to today. And I'm excited that we are able to do this today. So we're welcome once again. So just in case we have people that are joining us for the very first time, that are getting to know about us for the first time. So this is just to introduce Genomics to us in summary in what we do at Genomics Institute Incorporated. So what we do, we provide education and research opportunities in genomics, bioinformatics, and life sciences. We focus on building practical skills in bioinformatics and genomic data analysis. So this is our core, this is what drives us at Genomics Institute, right? So we focus on building practical skills for people that are looking out to start their journey in genomics and bioinformatics. So that is why we, have free short courses, we have boot camps, we have webinars, we have a whole lot of, educational programs just to make sure that people get initiated and grounded in their genomics and bioinformatics world, which is, rapidly evolving. So at Genomics Institute, you can always count on us to provide education and research opportunities for everyone in the life sciences field or anyone looking to delve into the genomics and bioinformatics field. And we have, just like I said earlier, we have a couple of programs. We have fellowship programs, we have scholarship programs, we have internship programs, we have boot camps, and then we have short courses, just like the one that we are having today. So to stay updated on some of these things that we do, I would implore us to follow our LinkedIn page. That is where you get a lot of updates about what we are up to currently. And for those of us who are in our WhatsApp community, I want to implore us that we also stay there, because subsequently we launch new programs and our WhatsApp community groups get to hear about it first. So even after this short course or any of our programs, make sure that you still remain on the group, because we share and we launch we share and we launch new programs subsequently. So follow us on LinkedIn and stay in our WhatsApp community. We would really appreciate you doing that. All right. So today we are here to learn. We're here to talk about, as we all know, we are here to know about applied functional genomics and bioinformatics. That is why we are here. So these are some of the learning outcomes you can expect. At the end of this lesson, you will learn about accessing of raw genome reads. You'll be learning about how to perform quality control on your data set. If you know how to differentiate between a good data and a bad data, because data is the bedrock of bioinformatics, right? So if you are using a bad data, it would definitely affect your analysis at the end of the day. So you need to be able to know what a good data is and what a bad data is, so that you'll be able to avoid the bad data, and then you can use a good data, or you can know how to work on a bad data and make it a good data. So that is what quality control is all about. Then you'll be learning also about genome assembly. This is where you will learn how short pieces of DNA fragments are being assembled back, are being reconstructed back to form a longer DNA sequence. You'll be learning about genome annotation, where you'll be able to come up with the structural and functional unit of each part of the DNA, and then you'll be doing some hands-on activities on functional genomics, where you are able to detect the function of a particular gene in an organism, either a microorganism or human or animal or plant. So you're able to know the particular function that a gene is responsible for. So that is all that functional genomics is all about. So as I'm speaking, if you have any questions, you can drop them on the chat box, and after this presentation, I will do well to attend to them. So yeah, these are some of the learning outcomes that you can expect after taking this course. All right. So to further buttress what I've explained earlier before now. So the applied functional genomics course is designed to provide an in-depth hands-on exploration of functional genomics, leveraging bioinformatics tools for comprehensive genomic analysis to extract meaningful insight from raw data. So you are going to be delving deep into, at a genetic level. You're going to be doing comprehensive genomic analysis, where you can extract meaningful insight from your data. So that is all bioinformatics is all about, right? It's all about analyzing a particular set of biological data to extract insight from it. Yes. So, and you're going to be using a couple of bioinformatics tools for that. You would see that as we go on. Okay, so the key focus areas include, just like I said earlier, accessing of, how to retrieve raw genome reads, that is data from the databases. You would know how to perform policy control. You'd know how to do genome assembly. You'd know how to do genome annotation, and then you would be able to do a couple of hands-on activities with bioinformatics tool. You'll be able to carry out functional genomics analysis using bioinformatic tools, and you'll be able to analyze genetic data across organisms, so such as microbes, plants, animals, and whatever your interest is in. So right about now we are on how to get access to the course. So this is where I would actually say that the functional genomics applied functional genomics course has already been pre-recorded. So it has already been pre-recorded. So it's not going to be a live session. So it has already been pre-recorded as videos and modules, and then we have a link where it is stored. So what we'll be doing is that after this live session, which is just to guide you on how to access the course, so after this live session, we would be sharing the link to the course to your various groups. So I believe majority of us joined from our WhatsApp community groups. So we'll be sending the link to the course to the various groups right after now, so you can access the course and begin to take the individual modules under it. And then yes, so after that, after you're supposed to take the course for a week, and after which you would be getting a certificate for taking the functional genomic course. So I think this is all that we have for us this evening. So just like I said, be on the lookout on your groups after now for the link to the course so that you can start to watch your videos and then take your learnings as um as needed. So I don't know if any one of us, if we have questions this evening. Just like I said, it's not a live session. The videos have already been pre-recorded, and then the link will be sent to our various groups after now. So can we, do we have any questions just before we go this evening? So this live session was just to guide us into telling us about the course and then how we would be getting access to the course. So if we have any questions just before we go this evening, let's have them in the chat box so we can respond, and then we can go so we don't take too much of our time. All right, questions. Okay, so someone is saying, can you present in presentation mode? So you don't really need these slides. Actually, like I said, it was just to introduce you to the course and then tell you how you will be accessing the course. So you really do not need this slide. So the course that you need will be sent to you after this live session. So you really do not need this slide. It's not much information in there for you. So but what you need will be sent to you after now. So I hope that answers your question, Favor. Okay, so Ayman is asking, can we ask someone if we have confusion during the course? Yes, on the learning platform where the course is being hosted, there's a place where you can ask your questions, or if you're on a WhatsApp group, if you encounter any challenge, you can just message any of the admins for your questions. So either of that works. Either you drop it on the learning platform chat box, or you can message any of the admins on your group, and then we will see to how we can answer your question. Thank you so much. Yes, Dan, I think I've answered the question. You do not really need these slides. It doesn't contain too much information that you need. It was just to introduce you to the course and how you'll be accessing it. So you do not really need this slide, so we'll not be sharing the slides. Okay, someone is asking, Zaina, our certificate will be sent to us on WhatsApp. Okay, so after, like I said earlier, you're supposed to take the course for a week. So after a week, we would also be sending you another link where you can download your certificate. So if you have probably joined us for any of our previous programs, you would know how this works. So we would send you the link for you to be able to download your certificate, and then you would have your certificate. But you must make sure that you have gone through the course. All right, Lillian from Kenya, thank you. Good presentation. Thank you so much. All right, is it mandatory to complete the course within a week, or can we finish it earlier if you have more time? Yes, it's all depends on what works for you. If you can finish it before a week, it's fine. It's all well and good. So, but we would not be sending the link for the certificate out until after a week. So if you finish it before a week, it's all well and good. So, but you would only be getting the link to the certificate after a week. Okay, someone is saying my volume is low. I really apologize for that. I don't know if it's from my end here or if it's from your end, but I hope you can hear me now. With the research sessions all be recorded, like I said, and the sessions have been recorded, the course has been recorded, so it's already in a recorded format. So all that you need to learn, it has already been pre-recorded. So we'll be sharing the link with you after now. to go and start watching. So they are in modules. So I think we have about maybe 6, 7 modules thereabout. So you watch them at your own pace. They are self-paced. So it has already been recorded. Oluwatosin is asking, can we access the course for free? Yes, yes. The course is totally free. It is entirely free. You are not paying a dime for it. It is totally free. It is entirely free. How do I locate my group? Okay, so I'm assuming you did not join from our WhatsApp community. Maybe someone just shared the link with you. So you would need to probably ask the person that sent the link to you, that's Effiong now, to maybe send me a message, or send any of the admins on WhatsApp a message with your number so that they can add you to the group. How are we going to access the course one can take? I already said this earlier that we'll be sharing the link that takes you to the course after this live session. So we'll be sharing the link that will take you to the course after now. Someone is asking, how about on-site internship and physical training at their locations in Nigeria? Yes, Ugochukwu. Our Genomics Institute is currently located in Ogbomoso, Oyo State, Nigeria. So if you are looking into on-site internship, we are located in Ogbomoso, Oyo State. So you can check more on our website at genomaccorp.com. So there you will find more information about doing on-site internship and maybe physical training as you want. So how can I access the certificate for this course? I answered this already, that after a week, we are expected to go through the course for a week, and then after then, we'll be sending you the link to download your certificate right on your WhatsApp group. So you'll be getting the link on your WhatsApp group. When is the course starting? It's starting today, right after now, that we'll be sending you the link to the course. So right after we go off this live session, we'll be sharing the link to the course, and then you're expected to start taking the classes for a week. Then after which you would get your certificate. Would there be any assignment in the course? I'm not particularly sure at the moment. So, but you would everything you need is right when you get the link, everything you need is right there in the link. So you would be able to see if there are assignment for you or not. Okay, so what's the time for the lecture, or is at your convenience? Yes, it's at your convenience. Tena, it's self-paced, so you can take it at your convenience. It's not live, it's not so it's self-paced, but you have to take it within a week of starting from today. So yes, it's self-paced. All right. Okay, so I think some people are just asking questions. Maybe they joined us late, so that's why they keep asking the same questions. So someone is still asking how to join the course. I already said the link will be sent. Okay. How does it add value to me as a pharmaceutical microbiology? Okay, so Taylor, it's you are still the one that would answer that question yourself. After you take this course, then you go and then find out how what you have learned linked to what you are studying. So I may not be able to answer that for you because I'm not a pharmaceutical microbiologist, right? So you have to go find out how what you have learned links to what you are studying currently. So I hope that helps you. Is the course beginner friendly? Of course, yes, it's quite beginner friendly because we understand quite a number of people that are here are people that are just trying to start out their journey in bioinformatics. So it's quite beginner friendly. You'll be able to navigate, um, you'll be able to navigate through by yourself. And if you have any issues, like I said earlier, you can reach out to any of the admins and then would put you through. Okay, someone is asking, would variant calling and interpretation be a part of this course? I'm not so sure it's a part of this functional genomics course. So if we're talking about variant coding, we are already going into cancer genomics and maybe viral genomics. It's not a it's not a part of functional genomics course that you'll be getting today. However, you will still be learning a lot from this particular course you'll be getting. Okay. All right, thank you, Rashida. I see your comment. Thank you. Thank you for your kind comments. Thank you so much. All right, so is there a molecular diagnosis facility internship training in your center? Currently, we do not have a molecular diagnosis lab. So all we do majorly for now is just bioinformatics, which is dry lab. So all we do is just data analysis. So we do not have any wet lab facility currently, but hopefully in the future, soonest, we'll have that set up. All right. Do you have any remote internships? Yes, yes, we do. We do remote internship, virtual internships, and they are in cohorts. They are in cohorts. So I think another cohort would be starting very soon. So, and that is why I encouraged us that we remain on our various groups even after we have taken the course, because that is where you get to hear a lot of updates on our upcoming events. So there's a particular course that will be opening probably in a week or 2 weeks time. So I would urge you to be on the lookout on your WhatsApp group, because we'll definitely share it out for people to register. So we have we have virtual internship here at Genomics Institute. All right. Is there any assessment throughout? Yes, like I said, not so sure at the moment, but when you get the link, I think there should be a place for either assignment or an assessment. Yes, so you would see it there. You would see if there's an assignment or as assessment. Okay, so I see Eunice asking, are we currently accepting interns? If yes, how can? Okay, so Eunice, you might want to go to our website at genomacorp.com to see to apply for internship, and then if you you would be contacted for by the team in charge when they get your application. So that's what I can say about that. All right. Thank you so much everyone for joining this call this evening. Thank you for doing this with us. Thank you so much. I hope we all had a great time, and I hope we would have a great learning experience as we begin to take the course after now. All right, so I'm trying to check if we have um, further questions. All right, all right. All right. Apologies for the break. Um, yes, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. So just before we go, I think I quickly want to show us what we would be having by the time we get the link to the course. So um, by the time we share the link to the course, you would yeah. So by the time we share the link to the course, so you would when you click on the link, I am already signed in now with my email. So by the time you click on the link, it might ask you to sign in with your email, the one you registered with while registering for the course. So it will ask you to sign in with your mail. So by the time you enter your mail and then you click so it brings you here. This is the landing page of the course. So as you can see, applied functional genomics and bioinformatics training program, empowering scientists in genome annotation and functional discovery across plant, animal, microbial, human genomes using bioinformatic tools for comprehensive analysis. And this course is worth $300, but you are getting it for free. Isn't that amazing? So you have this page. You can see all the modules like I talked about earlier. You can see there's the introduction, there's module 1, 2, up to module 8, and then after which you'll be getting your certificate. So about the course, just like I explained to us earlier, so you would see the course curriculum. Yes, like I said earlier, you can drop your questions or comment here in the comment section. So I just wanted to show us what it would look like. So by the time you click on module 1, it brings you here, understanding functional genomics, and these are the course materials. You can download them here, and then by the time you come down, you can see the video right here. You just click on play, and then you start to take your class. So, and then right from module 1 up to the very last module, which is module 8, and then you would also watch, and then you would be done with the course, and then you get your certificate after that. So I hope this has helped a number of us. After we get the link, we'll be able to navigate successfully and take our learning. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for joining. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for doing this with us. We're glad to have you on board. So please be on the lookout for the link, as I said earlier, and also stay in our WhatsApp community to get updated. We have a webinar that is upcoming. I think that's next week. So yes, you would get to see the flyer on our groups when we start sharing it. So the employees also register for our webinar, and for every other update that we'll be sharing on the groups. You can also follow us on LinkedIn. where you can also get, all of these updates. So we are committed to seeing you grow, and develop in your bioinformatics journey. That is why we are here for you. And then we are happy that you are doing this with us. And then would assure you that if you stay with us, you would reach the you would reach wherever you have desired to be in your bioinformatics and genomics career. So thank you so much once again for tuning in. Thank you for joining. Till some other time will come your way. I hope that you have a great time taking the applied functional genomics and bioinformatics training. Thank you, everyone. Bye for now.